I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for vacuum gauge. After cleaning, visually inspect the vacuum gauge for any physical damage, etc. Also check the condition of pointer and ensure that it is on 0. Keep the vacuum gauge for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 23 plus minus 1.5 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that the environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 23 plus minus 1.5 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 40 to 60% RH. For calibration, we will use digital pressure gauge. This is pointer of vacuum gauge. This is dial. This is body and this is pressure connector. The range of this vacuum gauge is minus 760 to 0 mm Hg. Resolution is 10 mm Hg and its dial size is 150 mm. For calibration, we need to do some preparations. For this, I have already mounted reference gauge on the backside of the comparator and the vacuum gauge, that is UUC, has been mounted at front side of vacuum comparator. Ensure that both the gauges are tightened properly on the vacuum comparator. Ensure that isolation valve and regulating valve of vacuum comparator are closed. First of all, I will perform leak test. Open the regulating valve of vacuum comparator to raise vacuum. Now I am operating it till full range, means it is open till maximum negative pressure on UUC is achieved. I am performing leak test at maximum negative pressure on UUC. So I will hold it for 2 minutes at maximum negative pressure to check leaks if any. Here no leakage is found, so we will proceed for preloading. Now I am performing preloading. For this I am applying negative pressure up to full range and then I will hold it for 30 seconds. Now I am releasing pressure up to 0 mm Hg. In the same way, we repeat preloading for 2 times. It means preloading is done thrice. After preloading, we are proceeding for calibration. Ensure that pointer is on 0. Now start calibration for increasing cycle. Open the regulating valve and set minus 70 mm Hg on vacuum gauge UUC. This is first calibration point. Allow it to stabilize for 30 seconds. Now record the reference standard reading against first calibration point in the worksheet. Same way, we can do calibration for all the calibration points as per the DKD R61 and record the readings in worksheet. Now I am demonstrating calibration at the last calibration point for increasing cycle at minus 700 mm Hg. Now start calibration for decreasing cycle. Decrease the pressure on UUC and set it at -700 mm Hg. Allow it to stabilize for 30 seconds. Now record the reference standard reading in the worksheet. Similarly, I am performing -630 mm Hg calibration point for decreasing cycle. Allow it to stabilize for 30 seconds. Now record the reference standard reading in the worksheet. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of vacuum gauge for 2 points is completed for this training purpose. You have to do this for all the points as per the method.